Hi, this is Gene from iFixSmartphone.com. Today we're going to talk about something other than a repair. We're going to talk about these parts. There are a lot of aftermarket parts out there for iPhone screens, and I don't know if you have noticed or not, but some of the parts that comes, they actually do come with the back plate of the screen. But this is a genuine screen, genuine iPhone screen, and this is the aftermarket screen, and they actually did a nice service by providing the backplate. But as you can see, there's a tapes are missing. So we're gonna find the difference. Why Apple put in here, and supposed to, like, I guess it's supposed to like block some kind of heat that gets generated from the motherboard and all that, so that it doesn't affect the display. That's what I was told. So this manufacturer does not come with this heat tape. So does that make that much difference? So we're gonna find that out doing a little bit of testing. Okay, so I got the back plates off. So it's pretty identical, but there's heat. There's another tape in this side, but this is just a bare metal. So let's see if it does make any difference. I'm gonna put this on the bottom plate, the bottom heater, and we'll measure the temperature. So I got this bottom heater, and since this is a motherboard side, this is a LCD side, we're gonna display it like this and leave it on here. This is the aftermarket, this is the genuine, and I'll leave that for about a minute and we'll measure the temperature. Okay, it has been I guess been cooking for about a minute, or probably about 2 minutes now. But before I measure this one, since it's just a like stainless steel kind of deal, like it's kind of, because of the reflection, it's not gonna give me a correct measurement. So I have to put the little bit of the material over to shoot the laser and see how it goes, see what it does. Alright, so I'm gonna shoot at the aftermarket. So it's reading at about 127. You can see it. And then this is genuine. Yep, 98. It's a little bit of the difference, but let's see. 127 general. Yep. So as you can see, the genuine does have lower temperature than. So I guess the heat resistant tape on the back plate does work, so it does reduce the temperature. So maybe you should consider that when you're doing a repair. Thanks for watching. Bye.